Welcome to the video today. We take a look at some top facts about NATO. Founding. NATO was established on April 4, 1949, with the signing of the North Atlantic Treaty in Washington, D.C. Purpose. NATO was created as a defensive alliance to promote collective security among its member states and to deter any potential aggression from the Soviet Union during the Cold War. Members. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, NATO had 30 member countries. These include the United States, Canada, most European countries, and Turkey. Article 5. Article 5 of the NATO Treaty stipulates that an armed attack against one member state shall be considered an attack against all member states. It forms the basis of collective defense within NATO. Headquarters. The headquarters of NATO is located in Brussels, Belgium. Decision-making. NATO operates on the principle of consensus, meaning that all member states have an equal say in decision-making processes. Integrated command structure. NATO maintains an integrated military command structure where member states contribute forces and capabilities to the alliance. Supreme Headquarters Allied Powers Europe, SHAPE, is responsible for the overall command of NATO military operations. Partnerships. NATO has established partnerships with various non-member countries, including the Partnership for Peace Program, the Mediterranean Dialogue, and the Istanbul Cooperation Initiative, among others. Operations. NATO has conducted a range of military operations and missions, including peacekeeping, stabilization, counterterrorism, and crisis management, in different parts of the world. Adaptation and transformation. NATO has undergone adaptation and transformation since the end of the Cold War to address new security challenges, such as terrorism, cyber threats, and hybrid warfare.